Struggling with a wide, flat, or uneven nose shape, but don't want painful or expensive cosmetic procedures? That's where a nose shaper lifter that actually works. These simple, non-surgical tools help refine, lift, and slim your nose using gentle pressure. No needles, no recovery time, no risk. From soft silicone clips to multi-tool shaping sets, these effective nose lifters offer an easy, affordable solution for a more defined look. So, let's have a look at some of the best nose sharpeners. One, Fernida Nose Uplifting. The Fernida Nose. Uplifting is a highly preferred non-surgical nose shaper designed to give your nose a sharper, more refined appearance without pain or discomfort. Made from soft, skin-friendly silicone, it sits comfortably on the nose without feeling tight or irritating. Its stainless steel clip is engineered to stay securely in place, preventing slipping during use. Lightweight and compact, it suits a wide range of nose sizes while remaining gentle on sensitive areas. Users appreciate how naturally it enhances facial attractiveness by lifting and shaping the nose through consistent use. Many Amazon reviewers praise its effectiveness for reshaping the nose without the risks of cosmetic surgery, making it a popular and trusted option. With a strong number of positive ratings, the Fernida Nose Uplifting remains a top choice for easy nose enhancement. 2. Lenlorry Nose Shaper Lifter Clip. The Lenlorry Nose Shaper Lifter Clip is another top-rated tool designed to reshape the nose by making it look slimmer, straighter, and more lifted over time. It is crafted using high-quality, safe materials, featuring a durable stainless steel stand paired with a soft silicone pad that ensures a comfortable and secure fit. The gentle silicone cushions prevent discomfort while maintaining enough pressure to encourage gradual shaping. This nose clip uses external physical force to slowly adjust nasal soft tissue, helping refine the structure of the nose without medical procedures. Many users appreciate how easy and painless it is to use daily. As one of Amazon's most reviewed nose shapers, it has earned a high volume of positive feedback, making the Lenlorry Nose Shaper Lifter Clip a reliable and popular option for subtle nose enhancement. 3. Natural Vine Nose Shaper Lifter Clip. The Natural Vine Nose Shaper Lifter Clip is designed for users with various nose shapes who want a comfortable, non-surgical way to enhance their facial appearance. Made from premium stainless steel and high-quality silicone, the clip rests on the nose securely without causing irritation or slipping. It works by gently straightening flat noses and slimming wide noses, offering a safe alternative to expensive and risky cosmetic surgery. Its soft pressure encourages gradual improvement when used consistently over time. Many users appreciate how naturally it fits and how subtle the shaping looks. Available on Amazon with a strong set of positive reviews and ratings, the Natural Vine Nose Shaper Lifter Clip has become a trusted choice for those looking for affordable and painless nose refinement that blends comfort, durability, and effectiveness. 4. Segminismart Nose Shaper. The Segminismart Nose Shaper is built to help users lift and refine the shape of their nose without undergoing costly or invasive plastic surgery. Made from soft, non-toxic silicone, it is safe for everyday use and gentle on the skin. Designed according to human facial structure, the clip fits the nose naturally, applying balanced pressure that slowly adjusts the nose's shape. Users appreciate that it is comfortable enough for extended wear while still being effective in shaping and lifting. Over time, it can help create a more defined and balanced nose contour without causing pain or damage. With a significant number of positive ratings on Amazon, the Segminismart Nose Shaper has gained popularity among users seeking a convenient, affordable, and safe solution for nose enhancement that does not involve medical risks. 5. Frenda. 4 pieces nose uplifting clips. The Frenda. 4 pieces. Nose Uplifting Clip Set offers 4 different tools, each designed for a specific type of nose shaping, making it one of the most versatile options available. Made from soft, non-toxic silicone, each clip is gentle on the skin while applying enough lifting force to reshape the nose comfortably. The blue clip helps slim the nose, the pink clip straightens and slims. The purple clip is designed for overnight slimming while you sleep, and the transparent clip lifts the bridge for a more defined look. This set provides users with multiple ways to shape their nose without pain or harsh pressure. Many Amazon reviewers praise the value and effectiveness of having multiple tools in one package. With strong ratings, the Frenda set is ideal for customizable, non-surgical nose enhancement. These are the best nose shaper lifter you can purchase now. Which one you liked? Let us know in comment section. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this.